Yeah, hi everyone. So, price exactly came to that S1 short entry today because we already discussed if it is below S1, that means sellers having full control. But price came till this S1, and then again buyers took the control back. So we got the SPX 3035 bull puts. We trimmed some profits, and the remaining should make 100%. It should go up and again drop. So You can take remaining profits on the bull puts, 68, 30, 35 bull puts. We do think SPX will close at the end of the day today. So we are waiting for a sell signal. Then we can do short iron condor, we can do a short iron fly. You can put in comments where do you think SPX will close by end of the day. So as of now it is at 68.51. Nvidia calls you don't need to roll over. As of now there is a sell order here. 208. Be ready to close, right? We trimmed 80% on the 68-60 calls. We are holding 20%. When price goes and hit it 68-70, you can close the remaining calls. Mm. I'm expecting SPX to close around 68.50. Once we see a sell signal, we can do iron flies somewhere around 68.50. You should close somewhere around this 26,080. If you have any pull puts from yesterday, right, which you rolled over, you can also take profits on all those. You can take profits on IONQ. IONQ is nearly $63. Also be ready to take profits on the remaining calls, 68, 60 call. Not profit, but yeah, you should have closed everything with the price. You can do 68, 70, 75 bear calls. You can do a short iron fry for 68.55. You collect around $11 or $10.5. You can trim some of your iron flies. You can also take profits on the 68, 50, 55 bear calls. 100, 70, 75 is 100%. We opened 50, 55 bear call. You can take profits on it. You can also take gains of Monday bear calls. Which should have opened it with speeds. Let's see. Yeah, we are holding all the swing trades, 11-21 trades. They all will make nice profits. So if anyone holding 68, 50, 55, 100%, the bull puts are 100%. Yes, well, please go ahead.
So, right, for today's iron fly, if we are holding them, what would they result in, Kishore?
If you're holding them, if you're holding all of them, then it will be small loss because yeah, actually we should have done 68.50. So we collected around $10 or so. So because it closed at 68.40, so $500 we need to pay for one contract.
Got it. Oh, okay, okay. But the put side, we would have made money, right?
Yes,
But overall, probably we would have lost couple hundred on each iron fly.
you're right. Yeah, that's where when it came all the way to that 68.55, I asked you to
Yeah, yeah,
trim
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no.
80%.
I trimmed some. I left them. I trying to understand in Think or Sim. I'm not able to understand how to calculate profit or loss. So that's where I thought, okay, I'll just ask that question. Today, except for silver, I think it was pretty good day.
Right, yeah.
Silver, I put
Silver
for
also
the
last
sale.
night it went all the way nearly close to 49.
Yeah, I my sale was little above 48.9492 is where I put the sell order. I think it came
Yeah,
all the way till 48.8 or 48.9.
Right. Yeah, it came to 48.9 and then
Yeah,
dropped.
yeah. One order got executed, the other one did not. So I was just holding on to it. But it's okay. It's in personal, so I'll
This
still.
personal, yeah, you can hold until Monday. Yeah, Vikram, do you have any
But the
questions?
SPX closed at, I said 68.42, it closed at 68.40.
No, you should have done iron fly there. You would have made you would have made huge, nearly $2,000 on each contract. Because if you
I
opened
need to,
iron fly,
like,
yeah,
mhm.
generally you should look at like where is the bottom, where is the top, somewhere in the middle it will close.
Okay.
But yeah, the drop was much bigger than expected. I expected around 50, but because we already have bear calls, I took the 55. But yeah, it dropped a little more than expected. I expected three red candles and then one green candle last, but all the four were red candles.
Yeah, yeah, that is true. But in general, like I need when you recommend an iron fly, so the difference between iron fly, iron condor is iron condor, your bull range and the put range are completely different, right? Whereas in iron
Yeah.
fly,
So in
basically put
this
and
in
call are
this
in the same.
scenario, we'll do bear call here. You will do some bull put here or somewhere here. So you will only collect $200 or something with the iron condor.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
your numbers are completely different. Your
Got it,
bear
got
call
it.
number, your bull put
Yeah.
number. Whereas here, if your strike price is close to whatever the SPX closes at that strike price, then you will make huge profits, nearly $1,500 per each contract.
Got it. Okay. 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 Got it. I'm still learning. I don't know how to construct an iron fly yet, but I was thinking I need to learn that so I can try and see if the math I'm thinking is working or not.
Yeah, it is similar to iron condor. Only thing is your strike price for a call and put you are selling is same. Other than that, yeah, it is
Ah,
similar to
okay.
iron. Yeah, Vikram, please go ahead.
Sure. This one is right. Today, again added UNH and
Mm-hmm.
Chipotle also dropped TTD. Today, again, I had some more added. Today, seems market started to going up. Can you help me check on daily, Kishore Garu, instead of hourly? Maybe this will go almost, UNH will go almost 40 $50. I'm anticipating. It is $30 it will go. No?
UNH as of now, 330 is the support in daily. It will
Okay.
go further down and then bounce back. So
What is
around
the
330.
target? Oh, sure.
Once it starts, then 360 is your first target, and then
Mhm.
378 is your second target.
Okay.
But yeah, 330 is a good time to go long.
Oh, that is good actually. Chipotle star, it is also looks good, Kishore, for long, for daily. Mm. It's bullish trigger, Raja. No, no,
Still, it gives
started.
a
It is bearish still.
yeah, 29.5 is a good time to go long.
So what is a 29.50?
Once you buy at 29.50, 33, 34 will be your target.
Oh, 33, 34. Then is there any possible 30? Okay, it is good to me. Yeah. 29.50. Okay, 34 is enough to me. Okay. Because my buy price is around, as of now, 30. Okay, good. I'm good. TTD Kishore Garu, TTD earning, maybe it is, and I'm in profit now, right now. This one.
TTD is at a support now. It can go back to 55.
Yeah, I'm good. That will be get good profit. TTD.
Mm.
Okay. Adobe, can I add Adobe Kishore Garu? Adobe, sorry. Yesterday when we discussed, you said it will go drop, but it is not dropping. Looks like it is at support zone. Still, it is there any room to drop? Okay. 330 looks like 330. 26.26% by orders.
Yeah, it can bounce until 360.
Okay, I'm good. Yeah. Yeah, it started, I think, well, because it is not dropping at all. It is
Yeah, it started bouncing.
consolidating.
Mostly before earnings, we'll see until 360, 370.
Yeah, we are good. Okay. Thank you, Kishore. These four only I'm holding.
Sure.
I'm
Maybe,
good.
do you have any questions?
Sure. Regarding the
Yeah.
support, hello. Yeah, regarding the support and the resistance lines, right? This is in the SPX indicator. Which indicator is this one? Because I have the FLM, so I don't have other
Yeah, you have
the
it
line
in
which. Hmm,
yeah, you have it in SPXDA and SPXCS. In both indicators, you have
okay. Can I get it right? I have the monthly plan. I have the
yeah.
five indicator monthly plan, right?
This
I
is
can
for
replace one of them.
6 month subscription.
Okay. And FLM will not have these. I don't want the table, at least the lines, the top and the below line. Usually you show that
LMS,
line. Yeah, that.
this is your support. So FLM is already congested, so that's why I don't want to add the functionality to FLM.
Okay.
Yeah, Raju, please go ahead.
Kishore, quick thing, right? Do you think in the morning, again, this is me thinking, depending upon what I'm seeing for the last 2 or 3 days, when you look at ES chart, right, from the futures perspective, you're getting an opposite recommendation to what my SPX is saying, correct? So, do you think since ES is more complete because of the overnight trading, it gives a better recommendation from the first half of the day? Then because if you look at it on the ES, it had sell bear calls in the morning, whereas the SPX had bull puts. They're two opposite sides. So I wasn't sure,
Yeah,
seems
but
from what
no, what you
ES.
are doing is you are doing at the top, you are doing bear calls. So even if you did pull puts at the bottom, you would have made nice profits. Right? Initially,
Yeah, we took bull puts right earlier and then it started dropping and then it started going up, right? I'm just think, but if you look at it, the recommendation that was provided by on the ES chart was sell bear calls because at the overall sentiment for the day was it was down, correct?
mm, we also have nearly.
Yeah, that's why I said first half of the day, right? I was just thinking it from that perspective. Again, because the ES has the continuity overnight. Maybe I don't know if that whatever calculations that are running behind provide a better because it has more data to work with rather than the SPX where you basically it stops and then starts all over again. And if it does that, I'm not sure
Yeah,
because it
you
does
can.
have a gap up and gap down, right? So
Yes, you can use that. Even this one. Initially, we got bull puts. It went up. We took 80% profits. Again, came down. We took the bull puts. Again, it made profits. It went. Then we took the bear calls. Bear calls made profits. So, yeah, but.
Because you get confused because ES says something different than SPX, right? So which one do we? That's where I was a little lost today, but I am following what SPX CS is saying. But in general, I'm just looking at it and saying the two charts had two different recommendations.
No, they are not right. One is telling, okay, you do bear calls at the top because ES runs overnight. It has
Yeah, yeah.
more data, so it is telling, yeah, you can do bear calls at the top. Your SPX is telling you can do bull puts at the bottom. But yeah, you can test for another 3 4 days, and then based on that we can take a decision. Because yeah,
Okay.
based on last 6 months data, nearly 85% of the time SPX whatever. Right, yeah, I know last 2 3 days it was little, yeah, whatever
Shopping.
that
Yeah.
gave, it was little different. But so initially it went up, should have gone little more because there was a huge gap up during Europe. They brought it down. Right, if you remember, in the morning itself, I told, right, I mentioned that they may bring it all the
Yeah,
way
yeah.
to magnetic or S1, and then take it up. Exactly,
Yeah,
they
yeah.
did
I'm
that.
talking the way I was looking at it from the sentiment per se, right? When because I know we do it at the bottom of the band. So when we took the bull puts for the second time, right? When it came at things, then it went up a little bit. If you look at this around 11:30 shit, I think we took the bull puts around that time, and then it turned back on us.
Yeah, from it
Right.
Yeah.
20
So I'm looking at it from the sentiment person, right? I'm not saying, hey, is it, I'm just looking at, I think what we decided as a group, right? I think where we aligned was, let's not do opposite trades. If the sentiment is, if the market is going down, let's always take the bear calls. If it's going up, then we take it. But now when you have two conflicting stuff, in this case, it did work both ways, right? If you look at it, but then it's like that fuzzy area. You don't know what to do.
But yeah,
That's where I was coming from. Not from, yeah, take at the top and bottom. That I totally get it. I just, what is this market sentiment?
right. But let's review for another 2 3 days, and then we can take a
Hmm.
decision. Because
Okay, yeah.
yeah, overall SPX indicator generally
No,
works
it's
in
good.
the,
It does tell us that
yeah.
it's pretty good. The only thing is because we're being so cautious, I know we burned our hands so much. We're being cautious, trying to be on more on the conservative side. But still, we are trying to, because of the amount of swings that the market is going through, that's ridiculous.
Right.
And
Yes.
that drop was because of Trump. Trump started speaking, and suddenly everything dropped.
Oh, okay. It is started for 3 p.m.
No, that the first half, then he
Oh,
started
okay.
picking up, right? He was talking about something to do with Canada and stuff and things. So, and things started dropping like a lead balloon. That
Yeah.
yeah, that's all. I just wanted to see what your thoughts were because we were seeing two conflicting sentiments across two charts.
Right. Generally, if we want to do options on ES, we look at ES and we go based on that. We want to do options on SPX. Generally, we go with the SPX, whatever it suggests. Initially, we got a buy, we do the bull puts. Again, we got a buy, we do the bull puts. Yeah, there was a small drop, but again, finally, that also made 100%
Yeah, yeah, but if you look at it, the
because
amount of
Friday.
drop, right? If you are looking at stop loss perspective, it just ends up becoming loss over loss because the amount of swing is so high. Uh, right. Again, trying to see how we can moderate this, right? Otherwise, you never know which way it would end up, right? It's just a matter of luck now,
Right. Or we can
right?
just
There is
wait for
no,
this, yeah,
yeah,
this combination T5 buy signal along with the swing buy or T5 sell along with the swing sell. That is the best combination. So if you get it,
yeah,
then they are perfect opportunities. We should see swing buy, T5 buy. swing sell, T5 sell. Then we can here.
Yeah, but that's like one, but that is not the sentiment, right? That's one trade if you want to take and move on. But in case if you want to join in between and you don't know where that top is, right? That's what I'm trying to get to. It because between buy and sell, swing buy and swing sells, we are looking at bear calls and bull puts, right? Or whatever bull puts from from buy to swing. And if you want to get in between, then you wait for the dip, and when it gives you another notification saying, "Hey, it's time to you can buy a bull put again," then you enter it.
Right. Yeah, we'll check for another 2 days, then we'll take a decision on that.
Yeah, yeah. Again, this is just
Sure.
a thought, and I think it's all just a market. Most of it is market, nothing to do with the way things are working, but just trying to see how we can contain
Yeah,
our exposure. Yeah.
right,
Yeah,
right.
Thank you.
Sure.
I was about to ask the same question this guy asked, Rajul Rastogi. And do you have any plans to change the SPXCS logic, or you are going to keep it and test it for some more time?
Yeah, yeah. So I have backtesting results for last 1 year. Last 1 year, it made nearly 85 to 90%. It gave the exact predictions. Yeah.
Especially this week onwards,
Right.
this complete week,
This week
very
also.
turbulent.
Yeah. But yeah, we cannot just go based on 1 week. Market was more volatile this week, but overall, last 1 year data, if you can go and check, right, what that indicator is giving each day. Generally, unless there is sudden news or something, mostly market stayed in the same way.
Okay, yeah. Like, yeah, that is my question. You and the previous guy has talked a lot. That was my question.
Right,
And
right.
like I asked multiple times, is there any possibility to get a alert on the swing buy or sell?
No, we tried because it's a dynamic one, so yeah, it's not working for
No, because
this
it's a
one.
code, right? Somehow, because I'm a programmer, so somehow you can capture the function and you can get it right.
Yeah, but we
I
are
don't know this
getting it.
coding.
Yeah, we are getting delayed signal, something like that. So, or it generates because it is a moving target. It keeps on generating the signal.
But still, that is fine, right? For example, if it gives in 5 minutes and then next 20 minutes, if it gives, if the real swing cell comes. For example, at 3 4 bars before, like 15 20 minutes before, if it gives, and then if it moves, still we are fine, right?
Yeah, yeah. We'll try it again.
Yeah, please see the possibility. Yeah,
Mhm. Sure.
that's only a request. Yeah, see, that's thanks.
So, anyone has any other questions? Yeah, please go ahead. That's fine.
Hey, could you please, provide some analysis on the Pfizer? Because it dropped a lot in this
Which one?
Pfizer, FI.
So for short swing, you can buy around 64.
Okay.
Target buyers here.
64 is the break or support.
Yeah, 64 is the support and 72 is the resistance. You can wait until 72.
Thank you.
Hey, Kishore. Kishore, can you hear me? Kishore, can you hear me?
I think we can hear you, but I think so. Kishore is not able to hear you.
How about now?
Yeah, I can hear you, Sid.
Okay. Just wanted to get your thoughts on Healy,
Which one?
the Hickory, HELE, the options that we took for November 21st expiry.
Oh, yeah, it's a bullish one. So
LE.
for swing trades, we need to give time, right? IONQ. So this one is close to the discount zone. It will go all the way to 21, 22. We have another 3 more weeks, 3 to 4
3
more.
weeks, right? Almost.
Yeah. So the theta decay itself will give you nice profits. So it will Monday we may see nice move.
Yeah, right now it's at the bottom.
Right.
That's all. Thank you.
Yeah, again, as I mentioned yesterday, right? If you are day trader scalpers, SPX is the best one. Otherwise, you watch out for the swing trades. Your risk is generally low, but we need to have patience for the swing trade. They will not just move like SPX. You mean because your zero DTE, suddenly they will move based on our anticipated direction, or they may move. The moves will be much faster when you take swing trades because you are looking in 1 hour, 4 hours daily time frame. They will take some good enough time to go to reach to the targets. So if you are a low risk trader, better you focus on the swing trades where you are right? Zero DT comes with high risk, high reward. If you are doing for next Friday or something, it is medium risk. If you are doing for 1 month, 2 months later, if you are taking December expiry, November expiry, they are much lower risk. So always if because when you're doing zero DTE, you don't have much time to change your decision or take a action. Suddenly market can move suddenly up and down. You don't have enough time. Whereas when you're doing swing trades, you have much time, or it will it is more low risk and more easy to anticipate what will happen in next 3 4 weeks rather than if you are taking a trade at 2:30, right? For example, we took SPX
Mhm.
bear calls in last 10 15 minutes. So yeah, it moved as expected, but suddenly if there is some news or something, suddenly it may go other side. So like that, you don't have much time to react to it. So that's where we have to accept. Already spread has a stop loss included. We have to accept. So that's where you have high opportunities, high risk and high reward with all the zero DT trades. If anyone is busy with their full-time jobs or something, then better you focus mainly on the swing trades where the expiry is 1 week or 4 weeks or 2 months away. You only take those such type of trades where you'll easily make 80 85% success.
Sure. While you are there, can you also look into Pfizer? It's their earnings is due to on Monday.
I'm
And
just now, I think we saw that.
Pfizer, yeah, not this one, Pfizer, PFE.
No, PFE.
Their earnings is due Monday, and I'm kind of stuck with the stock there for some time. It's not moving, but I'm getting dividends.
Yeah, generally PFE is a slow moving ticker. It is like AT&T, Verizon. It is also very slow moving ticker, but as of now, 24.9 is where there is a resistance. So it will be, since it will consolidate for some more time. Okay.
Okay.
It is consolidating.
Thank
If earnings are good, there is a high chance for earnings beat.
you.
It may go all the way to 27. If earnings are good, so it is close to buy orders. A lot of big companies have buy orders here. Their sell orders are somewhere around 27 and 29. So there is a high possibility for earnings beat.
Yeah.
It can
It's
go
been
to 27.5.
last 3 quarters it's done well, but there's nothing in the stock movement. It's
Yeah,
been
it is
stagnant.
just, yeah, it is concerned because there is no, right, there is no major, there is another code variant or something, it will move. Otherwise, there is not much revenue for this company now. Same thing with mRNA. It used to be $300, $400 stock. Now it is trading around $27.
Yep.
These also consolidating.
You still think Tesla is going to be 500 by the end of the year?
Yes, minimum 490 is the target. We may see 490 in next 3 4 weeks. Yeah, as of now, there are no sellers. There is a high possibility next 2 weeks we'll see 490.
Yep.
Okay, then. Have a nice weekend and we'll talk again on Sunday.
Have a good Halloween.
So WDC made nice profits. Amazon, we can let it expire. We made 100% with WDC profits. We collected around $380 in the WDC. Yeah. Bye, bye.